Thanks for joining me today. You know, I've been down the local tool store. I like to have a rummage round like an Aladdin's cave, you know, all the shiny new tools and stuff everywhere. Well, I wanted a new knife, and this is what I went for. One of these little Milwaukee compact flick, call it flick, it's not really a flick knife, but it's a flip knife. So you can keep it in your pocket, and it's just really small, compact. It's got a little belt clip on the back there. I just fancied one of them just for something new. But anyway, I'm looking at the knife store and came across this. What do you reckon to this? I've never seen anything like it. It's made by ToughBuilt. It's a piece of kit. It's weighted. It's got quite a bit of stance to it, you know. But the unique feature of this is it's a 2-in-1. And I had to have it when I saw it. It was just so good. You push the slider, it goes up. You get a Stanley knife coming out the top. You press the button and push it a bit further, and it flicks around into a scraper. You push it again, and it comes back round into a Stanley knife again. Let's get it out of the packet. It's sticking a bit in the packet, but let's have a look. You get 5 blades with it. The whole thing comes in at £19.99 or something like that, about 20 quid. Close enough. Let's get it out of the packet and see what else I'm going to use the Milwaukee to get it out of the packet. I do like this. It's very nice, very small and compact. This one though, I've got so many uses for this. I've got a scraper, but I just like the idea of the 2-in-1. It just, it's a bit unique, isn't it? Oh, it's out. Not quite. It's got a cable tie on it, so nobody nicks it. So let's get rid of the cable tie as well. Right. Oh, yeah. Right then. Actually, I need that. It's got things in it. Like I say, it feels really well made. It's got a bit of beef to it. On the scales there, it comes in at 214 grams compared to Stanley there, which is around about 147 grams. Oh yeah, you know what I mean? It feels really good and strong. Oh, he's an idiot. But I know that. You don't have to put it in the comments. But yeah, look at the scraper there. That is lovely how it comes round. And then sharp as hell as well at the minute. I can't even push it along this piece of aluminium. It's so sharp. Get the angle back on it a bit, it'll be all right. Yeah, look at that though. It's actually lifting pieces of aluminium off the... I know a job for this. Let's get out to the van. So here we go. We've got a standard scraper. Love this scraper. It's got me out of so many pickles, scraping stuff off of everything. Let's compare it to the new ToughBuilt. Let's have a go. So we go with the press out all the way to the top. It spins around. We lock it back into place. Beautiful. Right, first sticker then with the new blade. I just love the feel of that. It's in your hand. It's got that rubberized grip. Whoa! Jeez, what? Right, and this is the standard one. Okay, the blade might be a little bit old in that, maybe. Oh man, that is just sublime. That is just amazing. These stickers are blooming old. These have been on here for donkey's years. The van's 1980, I reckon it's been on there since 1980. But that's just lovely. You can really give it some push. You know, that one you sort of, yeah. You know, you've got to go at it and give it the multiple stabs. This one just seems to get in there and just... It's a delight. It's an absolute delight. Let's just whisk some of that masking tape off from around the edges. We've just had a respray on this one. Look at this big sucker here. Let's have that one off. Try it with the... so controllable. It's really controllable. I feel, and because you can see the edges, and it's so much wider. It's wider than the old one there. 2 hands on it if you really want to. Not a problem. Oh, listen to that. It is mullering, that. Just beautiful. Right, we've got this plastic film on the inside as well, so I'm feeling in the mood for a bit of scraping, so let's get that off as well. Oh, that is beautiful. What a beautiful beer kit. Let's drop you back up. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Look, that looks quite a fine film. Well, it ain't no competition for this. Well, that made light work of a crappy job, didn't it? It has just took that off, no problem at all. It's got a lock on it at the bottom there to stop it sliding up. You press the button, you slide it up, flicks into place, locked in there. And you can see that is like an aluminium shaft on it. It's just beautifully made. This is like a rubberized coating, so you can get some real nice grip with it. It's got a lovely feel to it. It's complete metal all the way down. It's got a little hook on the bottom there. Turns out it's a paint tin lid remover, and it works like a dream. And it's got this really handy little blade release button on the top there. And all we do to change the blades on it, we just push that across with your finger, and out comes the blade. Easy as pie. They are a little bit unique looking. They've got that centerpiece, so I wouldn't think you could put a standard blade in there. And then we just slide that back in again. Release the lock. And there it is in. I'm loving that. It's nice, isn't it? So how does it compare in size if you're not sure about sizes of knives and the compactness of this? You've got that is like that, a good old Stanley. Remember us? That's your standard Stanley knife. It is pretty much 10 mil shorter. It's a bit fatter than a Stanley knife. It's almost exactly the same size as Stanley, really. There's not a lot in it, but weight-wise, this has got a lot more girth to it. She cried. You can get these packs. There's 30 blades. Oh, there's 30 blades in there. A really nice, handy pack to keep in your toolbox. We've got the 5 extra blades in here, so let's cut this open and see how good the knife is. Oh, that's sharp, that is. That's really sharp. So we've got a great job today. We're going to cut out the face of Buddy the Elf so we can put a face in our photographs. And just the thing for the job is the ToughBuilt knife. What do you reckon? Haha, a little task for it.
Wow! What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
That's pretty perfect, actually.
Why are you smiling like that?
All right, here goes nothing.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Put that down.
This does look quite brutal, hacking Buddy's neck and his head, but Yeah, it's all for a good cause. That knife as well, really nice feel. It's got a lovely kind of slip grip on it, so you don't slide down when you're putting some pressure on. In places, this has got 3 layers of cardboard. And we're nearly there, look, nearly got it round. This is where it's really thick down the bottom here. So we just spike that through all those layers. And as you'd expect, this knife's making a breeze of this. Nearly done. See if we can just pop that out. Oh, beautiful. Oh, a little bit round his neck, look. Oh, there we go. Oh! Just need to lose a bit out the back here as well. Oh, it's a bit high.
Buddy deal. What's your favorite color?
So what do you reckon? It's an absolute beast, isn't it? Beautiful. Really, really pleased with that. It's nice, easy to control, lovely in the hand. I think it's well worth the money. It is built nice, ToughBuilt. Yeah, it's tough. It looks pretty tough. You could drop that, throw it around a bit, and I don't think you cause too much damage with it. Not to the knife anyway. You cause some damage to whatever you're dropping it with. Should we have a look? Ooh. It works! Got a good job in it. The door, ain't it? The dent in it. It's like throwing a hand grenade. I'll put links in the description for everything about the knife and where you can get it from. If you've enjoyed the video, then drop me a little thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.